Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel Tutel Age. So today we are going to see fractions exercise 7.1. Okay, this chapter is such a big chapter. It is having some 7.8 or 9 exercises. So we will go by one exercise. Okay, so it will I am posting daily one video, so it will take some 10 days to complete it. Now let's get into the video. So see the first sum. Write the fractions representing shaded portions. So you have to write the fraction representing shaded portion. Okay. So you have to write the fraction representing shaded portion. See the first one, it is how many out of how many it is there, you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of 4, how much is shaded? 2 parts are shaded. So 2 parts are shaded. If you simplify this, you will get 1 to third 2, 2 to third 4. 1 by 2 is your answer. Okay, did you understand? Next, see, out of how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of 9 parts, how many parts are shaded? Only one part is not shaded. So it means that 8 parts are shaded. So 8 by 9. So see the next sum. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are shaded out of 8. That is 1 by 2. Okay. Next one. 1 part is shaded out of 4 parts. So out of 4 parts, 1 part is shaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7, how many is shaded? 1, 2 and 3. 3 parts is shaded. See next one. Consider a circle as shaded part. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parts are shaded out of 10, 11, 12. Out of 12. So if you simplify this, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. 3 by 4. Okay. So next one. See here. 5, 5, 10 is there. 10 is also shaded. So 10 by 10 parts is shaded. Okay. So if you simplify this, you will get 1. Okay. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of 9 parts, how many parts is shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are shaded. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So out of 8, how many parts are shaded? 4 parts are shaded. So again it is 1 by 2. See this diagram, this is symmetrical diagram, right? So out of 2 parts, 1 part is shaded. So this sum is completed. Now we will move on to the next sum. So this is your next sum. Diagram is given and the fraction is also given. What you have to do means color the part according to given fraction. So according to the given fraction, you have to color the part. Okay. So color it 1 by 6. So anywhere you can draw 1. So 1 part is shaded out of 6 parts. So 1 by 6 is completed. Here 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 3. 1 part is shaded out of 3 parts. Okay. 3 by 4. So 3 parts you have to shade out of 4 parts. Okay. Then 4 by 9. 4 parts you have to shade out of 9. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's all this sum. Now we will move on to the next sum. So here the sum is given. Identify the error if any. See 1 by 2, this is 1 by 4 and then this is 3 by 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 3 by 4. Like now see in case of fractions, the division must be equal. See, but see here small triangle, here big triangle. Here small square, small 2 square and big rectangle. Here also uneven equalization has happened. So the answer is all the fraction must be divided equally in case of fraction. Here it follows uneven equalization. Okay, so that is your answer. Now we will move on to the next sum. So your next question, what fraction of day is 8 hours? We know 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So this is the total hours. We got denominator part. That is 24 hours is a total hours. So that is 24. So out of what fraction of day is 8 hours? So 8 divided by 24 is what? 1 8s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Okay, so 1 by 3 is your fraction. Next see this sum. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So we found the denominator part to be 60. What is the numerator? Numerator is 40. So 0 0 cancel. 4 by 6. 4 by 6 can again be written as 2 to 4, 3 to 6. 2 by 3. So this is your answer. Now we will move on to the next sum. Okay. So next question is too big, so that I am reading just to follow. Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has bought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetable and one of jam. The other 2 boys forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. Okay, so this is the question. Hope you understand. Your first question is, how can Arya divide his sandwich so that each person has an equal share? So what Arya is having 2 sandwiches. One is made of vegetable, one is made of jam. Okay, so what he will do, he will divide it into 3 equal halves and then share it among the friends. So this is the answer for your A question. How he will divide, they asked. So that is the answer. The answer is, he will divide the sandwiches equally into 3 halves and then give to 3 of them. 3 of them will share, including Arya. Then what part of sandwich will each boy receive? So what part will each boy receive? So totally 3 person. Out of that, 1 part is given to 3 persons. So 1 by 3 is your answer. Now let's move on to the next sum. So this is your next question, 7th question. Kanchan dyes dresses. So what Kanchan is doing? She is dyeing dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. So total dress to be dyed how much? Total dress is equal to 30 dresses. Okay. She has so far completed 20 dresses. So dress finished how much? 20. Now they are asking what fraction of dresses she has finished. So this is easy, right? So out of 30, 20 dresses completed. If you cancel the zeros, you will get 2 by 3. 2 by 3 part of the dresses she has finished. Okay. Now we will move on to the next sum. So here is your next question. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of these are prime numbers? So I am going to write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are your natural numbers. Okay. So natural numbers starts with 1 and it goes on up to infinity. So 1 to infinity is all your natural numbers. Okay. If you include 0, then it is a whole number. Now here you have to find out the prime numbers. You know prime numbers in this are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Prime number is nothing but it has the factor 1, the number 1 and itself. It does not have any other factor. So now count. You wrote out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So out of 11, how many prime numbers? 5. So 5 by 11 is your answer. Did you understand? Okay. Now we'll move on to the next sum. So similarly, similar to the previous sum, you have to write the natural number from 102 to 113. What fraction of these are prime numbers, they asked. Okay, so I am going to write the natural numbers 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113. Okay, then prime numbers it is, you have to remember this, 103, 107, 109, 113. So these 4 are the prime numbers. So 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 12. So 1 4 4, 3 4 12. So 1 by 3 is your answer. Hope you understand. Now we will move on to the next sum. So this is your next question. What fraction of circle have x's in them? See totally how many circles? 8 circles. How many is having x? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 8. If you simplify, it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is your answer. Now next sum, I will just read it out. Your last sum, you have to listen. Christine received a CD player for her birthday. So Christine, what she is doing? She received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs. So how much CDs she is buying? She bought 3 CDs and received 5 others as gift. So 5 others came as gifts. What is the total number of CDs? It is 8 CDs. Okay. What fraction of total CDs did she buy? What fraction did she receive as gift? See, out of 8, how much she bought? She bought 8 and 5 came as gift. So 3 by 8, 5 by 8. Did you understand? 3 by 8 she bought, 5 by 8 she got it as gift. So with this, your exercise 7.1 is completed. In your upcoming video, we will see the further exercises. So if you like my video, please do watch, like, share, subscribe and comment and click the bell button without fail. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your valuable time. Bye.